Look at that.
It's that one.
Look at that.
Let's see, move out of the way.
Look at that.
He's talking to you, Leon. He's biting your beard. He's more interested in your ear than...
He likes you, Leon. Leon's going to the birds.
I like you.
He's not even eating it, Leon. He's just talking to you.
Are you recording?
Yes? He likes your beard.
You know birds? Arg me hearty. I am Leon the Pet. And this is Polly. Ew. It's not eating.
Doesn't want to eat. Come, let's find some more. Oh my gosh, he's
But don't get
Bite him.
Ah, he wants your hat.
That's what he wants. He wants to eat your hat.
No.
I think he thinks you got worms coming. He's licking you.
Maybe he has lice.
He likes the taste of my my sweat.
Yeah. The tongue is so funny.
Ew. Oh my god. Look at that.
He doesn't even want your apple.
I know, he's
He doesn't want
not.
that. He wants to sweat.
Look, he's licking you. I touched it.
Oh, that's
I'm touching it. I'm touching it.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Thank you. I'm trying to wonder. You're so cute.
You see, you're sweeter than you think you are.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, that's hilarious.
not holding anything.
There, he finally got it.
Tell me when you finish eating.
He's still eating.
That's hilarious.
That's hilarious. He really likes you. He's taking a liking to you. You want to take him home?
I don't know if he was going to allow me to stay to go.
You want to walk around with him?
I can't.
He's busy having lunch.
Just don't poo on the backpack, okay?
Yeah, that's my backpack. Please don't poo in it.
Don't poo.
You want to put in Leon's shirt.
Yeah, when it's for the water.
You tell me when you want him off. I'll push him
No.
off.
I'm going to ask. Yes, okay.
He likes your shirt. He's going behind you. He's behind you on your shirt. And just walk. Turn around. We got a bird. Oh, look, he's on my handle. He's on my handle.
Wait.
It's funny. Look at this. It loves him. Oh, there you go.
No, close.
No. Don't do that, guys.
Uncle Leon, could you get the bird
Likes
for me?
you.
Oh, look at that beautiful bird!
The beautiful bird, hopping closer. Beautiful bird, turning around. Beautiful bird, beautiful bird.
Why he doesn't put your hat? He likes your hat.
Beautiful bird, beautiful bird. Please don't fly away. Beautiful bird, you're very cute. Aww. No! Beautiful bird flew away. Now I'm lonely. Look at his head. Beautiful bird, don't fly away. Beautiful birds, come back today.
Isn't that amazing? Leon, this is your bird.
This bird is attached to you.
This bird is attached to you. I never saw it this amazing.